This is the sensation of a five-star hotel elegance on the blue Indonesian Sea, the Trans Luxury Yacht. The perfect yacht to accompany a special voyage, to be a mesmerizing journey. Serving you with an international standard skilled crew. World-class culinary and cuisine are at your service. From the morning breakfast, the afternoon lunch, a fancy dinner tailored for you. Well equipped with a meeting room of up to 20 people, fully supported with sophisticated audiovisual treatment and amenities, and numerous meeting meal options to adorn all of your business gathering as you needed to be. The Trans Luxury Yacht is accommodated with 10 cabins to provide for 20 people on board, with 2 suite cabins, 4 double bed cabins, and 4 twin bed cabins. An elegant interior layout and classy design for you to live the most of your personal moment. The Trans Luxury Yacht, offering an exclusive design within the creation of a classical and extraordinary interior, along with a professional therapist at your disposition to utilize the calming and relaxing moment. The Trans Luxury Yacht, with 58 meters of length, was built to accommodate up to 20 guests to have an awesome moment of calming pleasure of intimacy with families and colleagues, with an armada of tenders and toys to leave everyone excited for a joyous moment of sea voyage, bringing you and your friends to the best of fun with an endless option of water sports activities. Cruising down the Bali Sea, Sumbawa Sea, up to Labuan Bajo. We are taking you to explore the hidden paradise of the surrounding islands. The Trans Luxury Yacht, offering a sophistication of stylish festivity. The Trans Luxury Yacht, a luxury journey beyond the sea.